An endless journey through the forest deep, where nature's secrets lie and mysteries sleep. Hidden villages, whispered tales of old, unfolding stories that the trees still hold. I wander alone, under skies so vast, through ancient paths where shadows are cast. The beauty of the wild, a silent guide, as I seek the echoes where the legends hide. In every rustling leaf, in every breeze's call, the spirit of the forest speaks, enchanting all. Through valleys lush and mountains high, I lose myself, where the earth meets sky. Traversing alone through nature's embrace, I am the solitary wanderer, the solo hiker.